Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to design a vintage travel postcard in Kittl AI. Perfect for gifts, travel memories, or social posts. Let's get started. First, go and visit kittleai.com. Then here in the left-hand menu, click templates. And then in the search bar, type vintage travel postcard or just postcards to explore designs. Then pick a postcard template that fits the vintage vibe, something with old style fonts, borders, or muted colors. Then here, edit the postcard text with your location, like greetings from Paris, or use retro or script fonts from Kittl's library to make it authentic. Then here you can add illustrations and elements. You can add vintage icons like airplanes, towers, or whatever illustrations that you like or landmarks to match the travel theme. You can use earthy tones or pastel colors or nude. You can also add textures like paper grain or for a true vintage effect. And once you're happy with your edit, you can now save it and download at the top right. You can explore and export as PNG, JPEG, and PDF, whether on whatever you want to print or post online. And that's it. You just created your own vintage travel postcard in Kittl AI. Try different cities, landmark, and color schemes to make it personal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.